Hello, Twitter. I want to demonstrate something today. My internet is out today. Cox went down here in Las Vegas, Nevada. They are my ISP, and they went down yesterday and they went down today. So I have been forced to tether my phone, which is with AT&T. Something I actually just got a new plan with unlimited data where I'm supposed to have 30 gigabytes of what they call premium data. And when I asked them what that means that's unthrottled data that's allowed, that I'm allowed to use to tether my phone. They specifically said I could do that or use a USB hotspot or just use for, just on the phone itself to watch YouTube, Netflix, or any of those services. And I'm supposed to get 30 gigabytes of that. And keep in mind, I just signed up for this plan. I checked. I've only used not even a gigabyte of data so far. And now, today, I think I went on this plan about 5 days ago. So 5 days in, I'm actually needing to use that tethering. So right now, my computer right here is tethered to my phone. Now, as you could see, I'm going to pull up my devices right here, and you can see, let me make it full screen here. You can see I've disabled all of my NICs. The only thing I've left enabled is this Samsung USB mobile NIC right here. This is me tethering from my phone. So if I were to go to, say, speed test.net and hit go, you notice right here it says AT&T Internet. That means this is actually me tethering my phone data. And you can see the speed I'm going to get here. It's nowhere near the best, but around anywhere between 20 and 30. While it's nowhere near what I'm used to getting, it's enough to watch YouTube videos and to work. I do a lot of remote work, remoting into places. Anyways, I just found this really interesting. So you could see there that I had 30 megabits download and then like around 8 to 10 upload, whatever, fine. So what I found interesting was that, let's say I wanted to go download something from my Google Drive, or really anything else, but I'm just going to pick something from my Google Drive real quick. So let's see, I have this video here that's in my Google Drive. I'm just going to go ahead and copy the URL real quick. Copy link to clipboard, and I'm going to use a program I use to download videos right here, which I already had downloaded it, but I'm just going to delete that and then just go ahead, and here it is added here. I'm going to go ahead and start the download, and then as you can see, the speed that it's downloading at is, where is it? Right here. So 6 megabytes a second, or rather the speed is right here where my cursor is. I don't know. Yeah, I think my cursor is being recorded. So you could see that. And it's somewhere around, 6 megabytes per second. And if you times that by 8, 6 times 8 is about 48 megabits per second, which is actually faster than what SpeedNet just said. Okay, there's no problem with that. That's great. That's exactly what I expect, right? I'm going to go ahead and cancel this download because I don't actually need the file. Okay, so let me delete that out of here. But what I found interesting was I was having problems watching YouTube videos. They kept buffering every second. So I decided, screw it, I'm just going to download the video and then watch it once it's finished downloading. And I figured even at that, 30 megabits per second, it wouldn't take long. So let's go find a YouTube video. I was actually going to watch this DeBauer video here. The English version. I'm a tech guy. I watch a lot of tech content in the background. So let's just go ahead and copy this URL, and let's go to JDownloader, and you can see there it is. It put it in there. So let's start the download, and let's just see what speed we get now. Look at that. 120, 160. That's a K. Kilobytes a second. Before we were going at megabytes per second. Now we're going at kilobytes per second. What the hell, AT&T? You said that I had premium data. I just showed you guys that I can download another video from Google, from actually Google, just not from the YouTube services. And that's fine. That downloads at full speed at what my plan will allow in my area. But this video, and this is not just this video, this is literally, I tried dozens of YouTube videos. So let's go and let's just pick another random video. In fact, let's just pick something off of trending. So let me go here. Let's go. I never go to trending. So let's see what's on there. and see how long it just even takes YouTube to load. It's ridiculous. But here, let's go to the trending page, and let's just pick the top thing. I have no idea what... Oh, Cardi B, I know who she is. So let's copy this URL here, and let's go see how long this takes to download. I'm going to bring back up. There it is. It automatically loads into the link grabber in JDownloader. So we can see this here. I'm going to go ahead and say start downloads. Let's cancel the other one so that doesn't mess up our speed, right? And here we go. Oh, would you look at that? Also 190 kilobytes per second, when I should be getting at least 4 to 5 megabytes per second. This is obvious throttling from AT&T, and I've been a customer of theirs for over 10, Jesus, almost 20 years now. I'm old. This is not right, AT&T. This is not right. They say they don't throttle. This is obvious throttling. And that's all I wanted to show. Thank you. Have a good day.